Consider making money with a brand new copy and paste strategy that requires no prior knowledge or experience. In fact, you won't need to work at all and can begin earning money online immediately. We're no longer talking about little tweaks or adjustments. With today's method, we're talking about hundreds of dollars. That's what makes it the best method in the pool of methods. This process can be repeated a limitless numbers of times, and the concept behind it is really simple. All we have to do is use Bing articles and then copy and paste them, and we can start making money right away. We'll walk you through this entire method step by step, so make sure you watch the entire video from beginning to end so you don't get confused about today's method. And don't skip ahead so you don't miss any important details, because if you skip ahead, you're more likely to not get the desired result. All you'll need is a phone or a computer, and this will work on both Android and iOS devices. This approach is available all across the world and is completely free. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. The first thing you should do is go to google.com, search for Bing, and then click on the first search results that appears. From there, you'll be taken to bing.com, which is right here. This is similar to how Google operates. It's also a search engine similar to Google that allows you to look up almost anything. After that, type articles and press enter. As soon as you press enter, Microsoft Bing will display a list of random articles, which will number in the thousands. Really, it's the same way Google works. So, these are all the outcomes based on your search. Here are a few search results examples. We didn't indicate what type of articles we were looking for, so Bing just offered us random ones. Let's just leave it aside for the time being since we'd like to show you another website that's there in front of your eyes. Don't worry, I'll give you the secret URL once I show you how fantastic this website is and how you can do it yourself and make some money. Type in the link that I'll give with you later to get to their website, and it should take you there. This website essentially pays you to write or generate content. Don't worry, you won't have to write or construct any articles from scratch. But if you want to learn how, keep watching. Anyway, we've discussed tactics like this before on the channel, but this is a brand new website that pays you to write an article that we recently discovered. And we also discovered that it pays significantly more than our prior website that paid you to do the same thing. So, of course, we had to share it with our newbies, and as a result, I'd like to know where you're from. So please leave a mark below since we'd love to know. Please also leave a comment below telling us what you enjoy best about the channel so far. Now, this is a fantastic website, and because this method is still relatively new, few people are aware of it. So it is essentially a well-kept secret. People are paid $80, $125, and even $500, as you can see. Now that's a lot of money and possibilities being handed out every day. And you can do as much as you want in a day. So let's assume you can earn $500 per day by pressing a few buttons, clicking a few things, copying and pasting a few words, and that's it. To share the link to today's first website, simply write seoclerks.com and do what we say to make money online. So, in a moment, we'll show you how to sign up for this. But for now, let's go on to the next website. So the next website is Conquer, which you may access by typing conquer.io into your browser. That's spelled with a K instead of a C. That's KONKER.io. And basically, when you look up content creation, you'll find all of the listings of writing articles, and people are getting paid a lot on this website as well. And you can learn from it just like you do on SEO Clerks. Now, you can sign up for both SEO Clerks and Conquer for free. And if you combine the two, you could be making over $100 per day simply by copying and pasting, which is insane. Now, if we click on the Make Money Marketing or Selling Services button, this window will appear with the words Make Money Selling and Promoting Services on Conquer and the benefits listed below. As a result, our fees were quite modest, the most affordable charges on any freelance marketplace, affiliate commission of 5% on the total market, 17.5% of whatever you promote is collected, profit from your traffic. Keep 95% of sales from customers you refer to your store, plus 17.5% of everything else they buy. Increase sales by creating coupons, promotions, and bespoke affiliate deals. No hardcore advertising is required. Thousands of affiliates actively market your services. And if you think that's fantastic, you can sign up right here and fill out all of the information they require. Conquer does not pay out as much as SEO Clerks, but as I previously indicated, combining the two will give you an unassailable advantage. Return to Bing and select News by clicking on the tiny dot in the upper left corner. You'll see all of the news stories on Bing right away. And there'll be no need to go anywhere else because everything you need is right here. Now, before we leave, we'd like you to go to another website called Ezine Articles, which is written as ezinearticles.com and which now includes a lot of completely free new items. You might believe that they are copyright-free articles on a variety of topics that you can use for anything, anywhere, and by anyone. It's completely absurd. So scroll down a little further and say you'd want to write a business essay, for example. So let's choose business right here, and it'll take you to this page where you can view all of the business-related articles, and you can sell them on both of the website we just showed you, SEO Clerks and Conquer.io. Of course, because these articles are copyright-free, it just implies that they have already been used by a lot of people, and we wouldn't want to have the same articles as everyone else, right? So now, we're going to show you how to move away from everyone else who is utilizing the same exact content and possibly isn't even selling anymore by grabbing a copyright-free article and making it your own with a single click. Let's use this article as an example, okay? It will take you to the complete article right now, and you should copy all of your favorite portions or the entire piece. It doesn't matter. And then go to prepostseo.com and bam, this is the place where you should be. As you can see, over 95 free internet tools have been empowered. Every month, millions of webmasters, students, teachers, and SEO specialists benefit from Prepost SEO. You may choose an article rewriter right here, and as you can see, there's something akin to a paraphrase tool. But that's not what we're looking for. We want to select the article rewriter because it is just what we require. It will then take you to this page. Please copy and paste content into the input box below, or select a file to upload, and then click the Rewrite Article button. So you'll see two boxes, and all you have to do is place where you copied or uploaded what you got under the original content box, then hit Rewrite Article, and it'll rewrite the entire post for you in a matter of seconds. You can copy the revised version of the article and submit it to news sites to obtain articles from there. Or you can have it redone so that you can get stories from Bing as well. So what are you waiting for? Get started right now and earn money like you've never earned before. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video and I'll see you there.